Japanese grilled chicken. It is Japanese street food that can be eaten at festival. It's also eaten at Japanese pub izakaya. Today, I use frying pan to easily make yakitori. Okay, let's enjoy cooking.
First, I introduce the ingredient I use today. 200 grams of chicken, vegetables of your choice. I use 1 pepper and asparagus today, and 2 tablespoons of Shio-koji. Shio-koji has the effect of softening the meat, but you can still enjoy yakitori without Shio-koji. In that case, use chicken thin. For the yakitori sauce, 4 tablespoons of soy sauce, 4 tablespoons of sweet sake, 2 tablespoons of cooking sake, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. First, cut the vegetables. Cut off the roots of the asparagus and cut it into bite-sized pieces. Remove stems and seeds from peppers. Cut it into bite-sized pieces. Then cut the chicken. Cut it into bite-sized pieces. Put chicken and 2 tablespoons of Shio-koji in a plastic bag and wrap. The Shio-koji makes the chicken tender. Let it rest in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. Next, make the yakitori sauce. Add 4 tablespoons of soy sauce, 4 tablespoons of sweet sake, 2 tablespoons of cooking sake, and 2 tablespoons of sugar to frying pan. Turn on the heat and mix it up. When the sauce boils, turn off the heat and let it cool. Remove chicken from plastic wrap. Serve chicken and vegetable onto squares. Chicken, vegetable, chicken, vegetable, chicken. Alternately square the ingredients. Turn on the heat and put oil in a frying pan. Arrange the chicken on the frying pan. Fry it over medium heat. Once one side is cooked, flip the yakitori over. It's okay if it burns a little. Add a little water to the frying pan and let the steam cook the chicken. When the chicken is cooked, the yakitori base is completed. Finally, add plenty of sauce. The perfect yakitori is completed. Today, I introduced a very easy yakitori recipe. In Japan, you can enjoy various kinds of yakitori. Someday, I will introduce other yakitori recipe. Thank you for your viewing. How was yakitori? It is easy to cook, so please try it. If you enjoyed this video, please check my YouTube channel and the like button. I'm looking forward to your comments. See you next week. Bye!